Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into using Todoist for academic project management. This is your complete guide for 2025. First up, we'll create a new project. Simply click the plus symbol on the left sidebar and name it after your academic project. This will be the hub where all your tasks, deadlines, and notes will live. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space for each project, keeping everything organized and clutter-free. Now that we've done that, next we'll add tasks representing the various subtasks or milestones of your project. Click the Add Task button and start typing. Create as many tasks as needed, and don't forget to set due dates for each one. Remember to break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable ones. This helps us because it makes the project less overwhelming and helps us track progress more effectively. With our tasks set, it's time to prioritize. Todoist allows you to color code your tasks based on priority. Red for high priority, orange for medium, and yellow for low. This is crucial because it helps you focus on what's most important first and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Now let me explain why this next feature matters. Todoist has a built-in reminder system. Click on a task, hit the Remind Me button, and choose a date and time. This ensures you never miss a deadline. It's like having a personal assistant, always keeping you on track. Here's what's happening behind the scenes with the final step. Todoist's Karma system tracks your task completion and productivity trends. It's a fun and motivating way to stay on track. Just click on the Karma icon on the top right corner to see your stats. And there we have it. With these steps, you've harnessed the power of Todoist for your academic project management. It's all about staying organized, prioritizing effectively, and keeping on top of deadlines. This tool really does make academic life a whole lot easier. Thank you for joining me. Remember, being organized isn't about getting more done, it's about getting the right things done. Until next time.